Guys, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of our newest videos.
Hello friends, this is Future Cubing and today I'm going to review this Moyu time wheel for you. It is an excellent puzzle. I bought it on Cubelelo for rupees 1,699, 700 you can say. And it's got really nice colors, I can see. They really match each other. Let's see. So it was written on Cubelelo that this cube comes pre-lubed from the company, and I see they were right. This cube was a little rough in the beginning, but now it seems pretty smooth. It's been about a day since I ordered this cube, since I got this cube, and it's really fast. And I think the only problem about this cube is that the middle layer in this cube is very thin and they tend to move with the other layers. So now if I leave the middle layer and turn this middle layer has a chance of turning with it. So see, like that. That's the only problem about this cube. Rest, I think the corner cutting is pretty good as well. Here pretty nice. And this cube is primarily made by Moyu. So there are some other companies that make this cube, but Moyu is the most well known. There are other cubes in the time wheel range like the Fisher cube, Fisher time wheel and all those stuff. But I think for beginners this is the best. This cube is mostly like a normal 3x3 with another this thing on the top. If you know how to solve a 3x3 and the middle pieces of a 5x5, then I think you can solve this. And like if you take out these pieces over here, if you take them all out like this with only this centerpiece remaining, then I think then that you can solve it like a 3x3 in that case, because these will be the edge pieces, these will be the corner pieces, and this one over here, the small sticker, will be the centerpiece. Speaking of centerpieces, another problem I've seen about this cube is that these stickers, the tiny ones, they're like what, 2mm by 2mm. These stickers tend to come off very easily. So see, this orange one, it came off and I had to stick it back and it's off center now. That's a serious issue. It doesn't really look that nice after that. Even these stickers, they tend to come out a lot. This one had also come out, one of these, this red one, but I stuck it back. So that's it for the Moyu time wheel, and I hope this video was informative. Thank you. Also remember to subscribe and like this video if you liked, if you thought it helped you. Also click the bell icon to get notifications of our newest videos. Thanks.